Alright guys, welcome back to Last Call. I made it. I am in Mexico City, Mexico. This is the capital of Mexico. It's also the largest city in Mexico, so I'm really excited to be here. I arrived a couple of hours ago. Well, actually, that's a lie. I arrived about 3.5 hours ago. But from the airport, had to get a taxi. I could have gone an Uber, but I didn't want to deal with it, so I just got a taxi here to the hotel. That was about a 25-30 minute drive. Checked into my room, and I was only going to lay down for about 30 minutes, and I ended up basically laying down for like an hour and a half. I'm running on 2 hours of sleep. I worked at the nightclub yesterday, so I'm tired. But anyway, yeah, so it's about 9 p.m. right now. Yeah, it's about 9 p.m. right now. I'm not going to do too much crazy stuff today. I'm just going to go get some food, probably some tacos or something, get a couple of beers, and then come back to my room. I don't know the city to be walking around at nighttime, you know what I mean? So just going to take it easy tonight. But let me show you around. Got this hotel for about $43 a night, so plus taxes on top of that. So yeah, entrance, you got your bathroom right here. So you got your sink. Hey, there I am. Obviously your toilet. Nice shower. It's actually a pretty nice shower. There we go. So it's actually one of those like showers from the top that I like, you know? Those are pretty cool. I like them. AC unit, the remote, another mirror. You got yourself a TV here. There you have closet, a safe, ironing board, iron. So you have, they said they refill the waters every day. You have a little desk area. It's really small, but honestly, what more can you ask for? And then the nice king size bed. Obviously, they gave me the option of 2 queens or king. Actually, I don't know if it was 2 queens, but they gave me an option of 2 beds or 1. It's just me, so I only need 1. Couple of nightstands with plenty of outlets. Actually, this side has outlets, so which is important. When I stayed in Vegas a couple of weeks ago, believe it or not, the hotel and casino I stayed at, they had 0 outlets anywhere by the nightstand. So I had to put my phone, my tablet, my watch like across the room from myself. I didn't like that. So anyway, it is a small room. It's a really small room, but I got this one more because of the reviews, that they were clean, they were well kept, security, and then also the location of it. It's right by Reforma. I guess Reforma is a pretty busy area. I saw like a lot of outdoor vendors, you know, people selling t-shirts with like a canopy, and they were selling like t-shirts, you know, pants, hats, belts, you know. I saw a lot of vendors that were selling food, tacos, like fresh fruit water, stuff like that. So there was all that, and then apparently about 3 streets over, there's a nightlife area. So I might venture out there tonight. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Like I said, it's nighttime and I don't know the city, so I don't want to be too crazy. You know, and the taxi driver just did tell me, stick to the touristy areas, you'll be fine. There's a lot of police, there's a lot of security. Don't go venturing out anywhere else with you not knowing the city and looking like a tourist. So I'll take his advice. I'm just gonna ask the front desk right now, hey, is there anything you recommend? You know, walking distance, nothing crazy. Like I said, you know, it's Mexico. I'll happily deal with some tacos, quesadillas, something like that. So nothing too crazy tonight. I'll probably take my camera just to film a couple of minutes of the street, but again, I'm not gonna be flashing anything, you know what I mean? Just be careful. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this so far. I'll add a couple more minutes, hopefully outside of this video, so you can check it out. But I have so much content planned for this city. I'm super excited. This is like no city that I've been to in Mexico before. because keep in mind, Tijuana, that I do videos in, it's right next to San Diego, so it's very touristy. Rosarito, same thing. A lot of Americans go there. A lot of travelers go there because it's a beach area, and again, it's only like 25-30 minutes from San Diego. And in Los Cabos, or Cabo San Lucas, which I did a lot of reviews or videos on my all-inclusive resort last year, that's a very touristy city too, so you pay higher prices. So I'm excited to see what I'm going to get here for my money. But like I said, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, but I have more content coming from the city, so stay tuned. Hope you liked this video.
Quiero yo hacerte el amor en la cama, porque tú sabes que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes día que te gusta, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa. Yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy un alma. Quiero atentarte en mis brazos, darte lo que quieras, mi amor, no perdóname. Saliendo todos los días con mi pana, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo. Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo. Hasta el amanecer. Quiero hacerte el amor tú y yo. Tú y yo. Tú y yo.
Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed it so far. Basically I went out walking, found a taco shop, got some tacos. They were amazing, by the way. They were really good tacos, so I'm happy. There's a huge nightlife street, a couple of streets that were nothing but nightclubs though. I didn't find like a bar where I just kind of want to chill and have a beer or two. Unfortunately I didn't find that. They were all nightclubs and I'm just not feeling that. I just got here tonight, still kind of jet lagged, you know, so I didn't really feel like doing that. But it's really cool though. All the restaurants are still open. I was able to find many restaurants still open, whether it's Vietnamese food, Korean food, obviously taco shops. I think I saw a sushi place that was still open, so that was actually really cool. So anyway, I'm just gonna lay low. I bought like a Gatorade and I bought a beer to take up to my room. I'll probably edit this video, hopefully release it tomorrow. We'll see though, just depending on the Wi-Fi of the hotel too. Let me show you around though. This is right in front of my hotel. This is the corner of my hotel though. Right now it's about 10:30 at night, so you can still see there's a good nightlife going on. Keep in mind this is the capital of Mexico, so I mean there was such a cool nightlife. Just seeing people out in the restaurants, everything like that. It was really cool. I will try to get more of the club scene maybe tomorrow during the day, just so there's not music blaring and I won't get copyright infringements. But I'll show you. It's a very diverse crowd. I'm actually surprised. At the taco place I was talking to someone. He's from France. There was a lot of Orientals here, so I'm actually surprised at how many people are here and the diversity of the visitors too. But yeah, you can see this is a pretty busy intersection here. But yeah, I'll do a lot of more tours and a lot more videos. It's really cool here. The cross lights go automatically when the green light goes for that same direction, so that's really cool instead of having to push the button. But yeah, it's been great. It's been a blast. I definitely need some rest. Like I said, I'm operating on about well, I slept on the plane too, so just say about 3 hours of sleep. So I definitely need some beauty rest. Tomorrow's a whole nother day, and I'm gonna bring some great content. Thank you so much for watching though. But yeah, Mexico City. If you have any questions, and if you guys have any recommendations for me, please drop them in the video and let me know, so I can check them out while I'm out here. Let me flip this around. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't drink and drive. Please drink responsibly and just make today count. It's a beautiful day. Make it happen. Make it count. Thank you so much.